What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Doesn't Work back at it. Just doing a quick little video here, man. This thing is awesome. This L3 right here. Let me tell you one thing for sure. I just added the backrest on there. That should have been the very first thing that I did when I purchased this vehicle. That should have been the first thing that I did, was put that backrest on there. I'm so pumped right now because it feels so good on the back. It makes you sit more upright and get better posture. It's just, I'm loving it. And the looks of it, I think it adds to the bike. I don't think it's bad looking at all. Comment below, tell me what you think. Would you rock with it or without it? I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm over the looks part of it being more sleek without the backrest. The purpose and the functionality of a backrest take precedence. I mean, it is just, Lord have mercy. I should have done it a long time ago. But anyway, you can see I got that Falcon's pipe on there. I painted that paint. I painted that pipe with some high temperature black paint, gloss. And I'm gonna see how long that lasts and stick on there. I really wouldn't mind having that Akrapovic exhaust system, but your boy don't know about that $2,000. You know, we're going to say $2,000 rounded up. Your boy don't know about that $2,000 for no exhaust pipe. So I did think about straight pipe going back to the original factory exhaust. Not sure yet, but anyway, we're not talking about that. We're talking about the backrest. The backrest is where it is at, period. I did install the locking mechanism in there, so you can't just walk up and pull it out. And you know, of course, it does fold down like that, which I think is just awesome and neat. Man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I can't say it enough. It made the ride 10 times more enjoyable just having that backrest on there. So I can't wait to get out in these streets with this thing. So yeah, comment below, comment, like, subscribe below. I appreciate the support as always. I appreciate all of the feedback that you all give, because what it allows me to do is think about things and see exactly how I want to do or incorporate some of those ideas that people share with me. Not sure exactly what's next. I don't know. Or I know, well, one thing I know is it needs a complete detailing. I mean, with the detailing brushes and all that stuff. So I'll probably do that one day in the next couple of weeks. I did think about the fender delete, but that rear fender does provide a purpose. It keeps stuff from slinging up on you. Oh, I know what I need. I need a back tire. So that will be coming soon. That'll be my third tire on this Can-Am F3. Kind of hard on those tires, but I'm pumped, y'all. I'm pumped. So on a scale of 1 to 10, would I do it again? And it would be a 10. And if I could give any bonus points, I would. But that rear seat is awesome. So comment, let me know what you think. Peace. Doesn't Work Out.